Apa udah ya? Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, we are from group 1. Uh, here, one explain about our analysis of journal article on linguistics. And for the group 1, there are from me, Arfi Mufid, and there are Mbak Mutmainah Fahmi, and next, Mbak Yanjana Aida Rahman. For the biography of our analysis is the title about the pragmatic meanings of address term, Sampean and Anda. The author is Joko Susanto, and for the journal is IGLAL, Indonesian Journal of Applied Linguistics, and for the volume is and year is vol 4, number 1, 20. For the link is you can see in the PowerPoint. And for our material, for the first material is will will delivered by Mbak Yanyan. For Mbak Yanyan, time and place for him.
Okay, thank you, the moderator. Here I will explain about research background. This research investigates the use of sampean and anda by the students from Pasuruan and Probolinggo. Address terms is one of important tools in communication in Javanese society as it is used, for example, to decide the person they are talking to or to show the possession of formal and informal manners. However, the use of these address terms might have different interpretation across regions. For the next is because the author wants to know something, such as factors that influence the choice of address terms sampean and anda in Pasuruan and Probolinggo, and situations in which the interlocutors use the address terms sampean and anda. For the next is theory. What is the theory being used by the authors to analyze this research? Several theories are used to help analyze the data, which include address terms sampean and anda, politeness theory, and power and solidarity. The data were obtained from the result of observation, questionnaires, and interviews with the participants. Jadi di sini saya menjelaskan tentang latar belakang penelitian. Penelitian ini menyelidiki penggunaan sampean dan anda oleh siswa dari Pasuruan dan Probolinggo. Istilah sapaan merupakan salah satu alat penting komunikasi dalam masyarakat Jawa seperti yang digunakan. Misalnya, untuk menunjukkan orang yang mereka ajak bicara atau untuk menunjukkan sopan santun baik secara formal dan informal. Namun, penggunaan istilah alamat ini mungkin memiliki interpretasi yang berbeda di setiap wilayahnya. Yang selanjutnya, karena penulis ingin mengetahui beberapa hal seperti faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi pemilihan istilah sapaan sampean dan anda di Pasuruan dan Probolinggo, dan situasi di mana lawan bicara menggunakan istilah sapaan sampean dan anda. Yang selanjutnya adalah teori. Beberapa teori digunakan untuk membantu menganalisis data yang meliputi istilah sapaan sampean dan anda, teori politeness, dan power and solidarity. Data diperoleh dari hasil observasi, angket, dan wawancara dengan partisipan. I think enough from me. Back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Yanyan, for your explanation about the research background and theory. For the next material will delivered by Mbak 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 Mutmainah Fahmi. Time and place for him.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. Is my voice clear?
Yes, it's good.
Okay. Okay, now I will explain about research methodology. The first is type of research. The study employs qualitative method to examine the use of sampean and Anda in naturally occurring conversation. Jadi, tipe penelitian ini menggunakan metode kualitatif. And next, the object of the research is 40 students of STKIP PGRI Pasuruan, that most of them are from Pasuruan and Probolinggo. Jadi untuk objek penelitian ini adalah 40 siswa dari STKIP PGRI Pasuruan, yang sebagian besar itu berasal dari Pasuruan dan Probolinggo. Lalu selanjutnya, next is technique of collecting data. The researcher obtained the data through direct observation, questionnaires, and interviews. And then technique of data analysis. The data analysis is based primarily on the research questions of the study. All of the data obtained from observations, questionnaires, and interviews are classified. Particular attention for analysis is paid to the parts of conversation where sampean and Anda occur. The participants' answers from the questionnaires are presented in the form of percentages to classify the similar and different answers. Finally, the data gathered from the interviews are categorized and analyzed according to the evidence found from the observations and questionnaires. I think that's enough from me about research methodology. I will return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. There are for the material from Mbak Mutmainah Fahmi, and for the last material about the result and findings. And for this material is will explain by me. About the result is from the discussion of the findings is based primarily on the pragmatic reason for the student to use sampean to lecturer or teacher, kiai, parent, and older or younger siblings. For the first is the use of sampean by the student. As shown in material, the student use sampean to different people. Some usage of sampean were used appropriately based on Japanese cultural perspective. And the discussion of the regret is presented in more detail in the section that follows, as in material indicate the highest number of use of sampean is given to older siblings as 36 participants. And for next, number two is the use of Anda by the students. As clearly indicated in material 2, there were 33 participants confirmed this. There are several reasons why they use an address term Anda to lecturer or teacher, kiai, parent, and older siblings. For there are four material about the use of Anda by students. For the first is more formal and appropriate manners in environmental education. Number two, to respect person of higher social status and older person. Number three, more polite and more appropriate than sampean. And for number four, the influence of informal education and the use of Indonesian as a formal language. From the participant answer, it can be concluded that used an address term and to either a teacher or lecturer because they think that is more polite and formal. As indicated from the result of this study, the address term sampean has been used mostly to kakak kandung, teman lebih tua, and orang tua kandung, respectively, as an expression of respect. And for another striking data show that address term Anda was mostly used the lecturer or teacher 33 and to kiai 9. Then for the address term Anda was used to express formality, respect, and politeness. The usage of sampean and Anda by students in Pasuruan is a special linguistic case which cannot simply be ignored. From this research activity, because it is used absolutely different from the general norma in Japanese society. And that's all from us about our analysis about our material. And thank you guys for your attention. If there are any mistakes or something else, we say sorry for anything, for something we make. And if I hope you all can take our analysis for this material. And that's all from me. And thank for your attention. And I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.